So today the packaging is playing not a role of a secondary packaging, but it's a really vital role in terms of the shelf life, nutrition value, and other aspects. And we found that dairy industry is really adaptive and agile in this particular pandemic scenario. As you see the past, the milkman used to come with a container, bulk container, and supply milk at the doorstep. And but they were quite localized in terms of the region for the supplies of milk. So milk booth has really taken a shape in a glass bottle, and there was an exchange of glass bottle happening, two bottles in a returnable basis. But that was consigned to increase the logistic part as well as the distribution to the state level. But the real revolution came when the milk pouch get into the picture. It was light in a weight and really played a significant role in terms of logistic, and lighter weight has really reduced the industry cost and increased the margin. But the real innovative revolution came when the value added product started coming into the market. Earlier, all value added product was used to prepare at home. So once the value added product came, the new shelf life, taste, and nutrition value started taking its own shape and place. And the zone was not a constant. The people used to get export the products out of the India. Now the generation is shifting towards the mart and e-commerce, which Sanjeev has already mentioned. And it a consumer is really focusing on what they are going to adopt in their daily social life. So now the shelf life, taste, and nutrition value will play a role, but the environment aspect is also taking its own place. So the material which is going to get packed into the bottle or any other product will definitely lead to the recycling of the product. So now, in the consumer perspective, farm to table is one of the example which is happening up in India. Lot of new dairy players are entering into it. They are selecting a right kind of packaging material, the PET bottles, containers, and jars. Now, India is heading towards the digitalization, and this digitalization is really creating a revolution in terms of supplies of milk. And the farmer is also differentiating the milk in different forms, like camel milk, goat milk, and including the milk which is not which is what having another vitamin values like A2 milk also. But we feel that jo dikta hai wo bikta hai. Now he is there for a long time, but today it has been packed in such a manner that in a different shape, and the transparency and convenience is attracting the consumer part. So you can design a different shape of the product with respect to a container with the PET material. The technology is also enabling the product, and the high shelf and nutrition value is also being maintained. The aseptic line which is coming up in India is really driving the nutrition value of the content. Now we are finding the dairy segment as well as the uh, is exploring the market of carbonated drinks, and the carbonated drinks are exploring the market of dairy segment. So immunity becomes fun now. Please, next slide, please. So what is the role of packaging material today? Is that these are five factors which are taking a real shape. Sustainability, that material of packaging which has been selected should be recycled and have content in circular economy. The smaller size packs are getting preferred for the ongoing consumption. And the health is key part to it. Today, the pandemic has made us realize that the immunity is a key factor, and a lot of immunity-based drinks are getting launched. And the innovation in terms of packaging to maintain the shelf life, avoiding the cold chain, is also taking place. These are the few examples internationally packed in the rigid bottles with the different flavors like milkshake, UST, milk flavored milk yogurt are being packed into the bottles, and bottles are playing a very friendly role into it. Now, as we know, the PET, as we know that the milk is highly perishable, and the quality, hygiene, and shelf life plays a significant role. Indian market, in terms of the logistics, is playing through the cold chain with the insulated supply, and these all material has been packed into the pouch. But we are not finding the rigid package. It takes its own shape because of the cost factor. But with the period of time, we feel that the normal fresh milk can be packed into the rigid bottles with a label on it, what are the ingredients and constituents into it. So, and we know that the aseptic line is taking its own shape with the advanced filling packaging. So these are the few global market references where the quality of fresh milk has been packed into the bottle. One beautiful example that whatever we pack the in pouches need a secondary packing material which is known as crate to transit the flexible goods to the other zones. But if we move ahead with the new technology, there are shrink sleeves which are applied over the bottles, which can avoid the great cost into the system. And this will really lower down the hurdles of returnable clay logistics. Now, in case of the internet, in case of the technology, we are finding the aseptic line is also taking its own shape in the Indian market. There is a 7 lines been installed in India by Amul is leading the race. Nandini, Vishal Beverages, Varun Beverages, and ITC are playing a role into it. This means that there is no requirement of the cold chain with the supply of this UHT milk to the zones where the per capita consumption of milk is very low, and there is a higher shelf life in this particular packing material, around 6 months. So this leads to availability of the milk to the zones which is lower in the per capita consumption. And you can brand the product with the bottle design, lot of new shapes, as well as the weights can be lower down to lower down the cost and optimize the value. These are the technology providers, those who provide the aseptic line. This is a costly affair, so the large financial dairy companies are investing into it. So these are the aseptic international brands which are there. You can find in UK, China, Brazil, Italy, Canada. They are moving ahead with the aseptic technology. Yeah, we are also finding that ghee is one of the segment which is picking up in the Indian market. There is a Relpet resin which we provide, and we have this goes to the preform manufacturers where it makes a preform and is blown into the jar, and then the ghee goes into the filling line, and then it goes to the packed ghee goes to the wholesale retailer and the consumer. We find the cost of the jars which has been transported is too high. So our proposal is that to put a blowing unit at the dairy process house where the cost can be lowered by 30 to 50% in this process. So these bottles, what happens to these bottles? Because consumer is becoming friendly towards the environment, so we need to collect it back into the system. Today 90% bottles which are being consumed in the beverage are getting back into the system, and with these bottles lot of articles are being made out of it. These t-shirts, jeans, jackets, fibers pillows, straps, car seat covers are made of these PET bottles. So these recycled PET bottles really lead to the sustainable goal for the dairy industry. So Reliance is a key provider of the resin for the packaging material. So once this packaging material gets converted into the article like bottle, and when the consumer uses this bottle, it throws away, and Reliance gets collected it back into the system and make a Reliance green gold fiber out of it. And from this fiber, it makes a fabric of different colors and designs. And this has been branded as our Elan. From these fabrics are going to the various top brands like Nike, Adidas, where this is being consumed. We took this initiative along with the big dairy industry, Amul, and started a collection model at one of their booths to make the consumer awareness into the picture. So Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, Mr. Vijay Nehra, the commissioner of the corporation, inaugurated the RBM machine along with Reliance and Amul to make the general people understand the value of the rigid packaging product such as PET. So we are looking forward for the integration with large dairy sectors where the consumption can happen with the PET bottles. And this is our team. Anyone wants to contact with us, they are free to do that for the sustainability collaboration. Thank you.